Fellas, this is Pavi and I'm a CA intermediate student. I had appeared for CA Inter Group 1 in May 2026 attempt and I have cleared CA Intermediate Group 1 with exemption in laws and account subject. I have secured 64 marks in advanced accounting subject, and this is the parcel that I've received from CA Akash Kandoi Saya. This is like a token of appreciation for securing exemption in advanced account. मैंने आकाश कंदोई सर से उनके lectures लिए थे advanced account के. So this is what I have received and I'm so sorry guys, मैंने इसको पहले ही unbox कर लिया था, लेकिन still I will do it once again for you, just for you guys, because I love you guys. And this is how, this is how it will open. Yeah, this is the front part. Ta-da! Wow, like this is the frame, a certificate of appreciation by CA Akash Kandoi sir, and genuinely thank you so much Akash Kandoi sir for this gift. Thank you so much. Love you.